Would you like to make more money in less time teaching piano? Teach in small groups. That's what I do, and it's been profitable for me. I would like to show you how my weekly lessons are set up and show you the materials that I use. I teach 3 days per week, Tuesday through Thursday. I teach from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. That's 9 hours a week. I teach 4 45-minute sessions per day with an average of 3 to 4 students in each group. And I use keyboards that are 61 keys plus the piano. And each child has their own keyboard to sit and play. I teach beginners exclusively using game songs in this group setting. And I use my book, Play and Play, in which every piece is a game song. Plus, there's a picture to color. And the coloring helps with classroom management, which I'll show you later in this video. Here's the weekly routine. Students have an assigned piece in their book that they had practiced on all week. So we start the lesson by playing and singing this game and everyone having a turn. This starts the lesson in a fun way for the students, and it's a review of the music for them before they go to the keyboards to play. And because each student has a turn, they will have experienced the music several times. This particular lesson is early in the piano year where they are working on D, F, and G. The game song is Plainsies Clapsies, which they love to play. Here's how they play it. Plainsies, clapsies, twirl around to backsies, right hand, left hand, toss it high, toss it low, touch your knee, touch your toe, touch your heel, and through you go. They also use the ball. So here's the weekly routine. After the game, the children go to their keyboards and they look at the music and review what they had practiced on during the week. We read and clap the rhythm together. Then they look at the keyboard picture to remember that they're working on D, F, and G on treble clef, and they're working on steps and skips. Each student plays along. The others have their keyboards turned down silently, and they're just playing silently as waiting for their turn to play along. Or they point to each note as each one plays, and they're tracking the music. And if they're using finger lights when they're pointing, they really have a good time doing that. These game songs in the Play and Play book are very short, so this time of individual playing goes quickly. But then it's time to play and play again. I usually have 2 of them at a time playing and singing the song while the other ones play the game. They can use a ball also for this particular song. After that comes the learning song. This is a song that they had just listened to at the end of last week's lesson. They did not see the music. I sang the song and demonstrated the game, and we played the game probably 1 time. But this is going to be their assigned piece for the week. This particular one that comes next is We Are Dancing in the Forest, and it's about a wolf, and it's a chase game. And they're continuing to learn the D, F, and G that's in their book. So that we're looking at, first of all, we just play the game again, and everybody has a turn. Then when they go to their keyboards and they see their music for the first time, there are some things we do together. We look at the meter signature. They read and clap the rhythm. We look up at the keyboard picture again and see where their fingers will be located, the notes are playing, and find those notes on the staff. Then comes the classroom management, because each song in the book has a color sheet. Students take their books and they go to the table and they do some coloring. We are dancing in the forest, for the wolf is far away. Who knows what will happen to us if he finds us at our play? Oh, wolf, are you there? So they're all engaged coloring, and they're just waiting for their turn to play. So this song becomes their assigned piece of the week. Next comes a new song. The children will not see this music this week. They're just going to learn the song, and I'll demonstrate the game for them, and we'll play it just probably 1 time. Now, in this particular, because it's early in the year, whenever we, this typical lesson I'm showing you. There are actually two game songs, but I'll just choose one of them to play before it's time to go. And they're going to be working on the D to the G skip. It's time to go. They record their attendance and get some candy. Watch my short video called Fun Little Things That Make a Big Difference in Piano. And that will give you ideas both for attendance and practice incentives. And they love to get this piece of candy. And at the end of the month, treasure box. So that's it. A 45-minute less small group piano lesson. I've collected monthly tuition for each child sitting in that one 45-minute slot. And that's how I make money in less time, by teaching in small groups. Please hit the like button and let me know if you have any questions, and or share if you also teach small group piano and can tell me some things about your experiences with this. And subscribe to my channel, Play and Play in Piano Class, for more information about teaching group piano. Thanks for watching.